Hello everybody, today I have a Ulta haul for you. I have a big box of stuff that I ordered online. I did an online order, well, just because I didn't feel like going to Ulta, but they had one item that was on sale for the month of March. You know how they've been doing like the half off kind of thing. So I ended up getting one thing and from that sale, and then I just bought a bunch of random stuff that I wanted to get. One thing before we go any further with this video, in case the shirt is bothering you, it says hanging with my peep. And then there's a little peep on my belly. Just in case you were wondering what it said. Anyways, I'm filming this on Easter, so that's why I got this shirt on. Alright, I'm going to start off with this. This is the Physicians Formula Brow Last Longwear Brow Gel. I am almost out of my Soap and Glory brow gel, so I decided to pick this up. I also picked up another Physicians Formula product. They were buy one get one half off, I believe. I have not taken this out yet. I thought about using it, but I don't know. I don't need it yet because I'm almost out of my Soap and Glory one. I'm just gonna leave it in there because it'll take me forever to take it out. But it has a brush on it. It's not too terribly big. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's a little bit bigger than I'm used to. I think it's a bit round, a bit fuller than what I'm used to. And then the color I got is medium brown. There weren't like a ton of color options with this. I want to say there was at least 3, maybe 4. I don't really expect a whole lot of color options when it comes to brow gel. I did not go with the lightest, but I did not go with the darkest either. I kind of went in the middle. So I'm excited to try that out. I'll have to let you guys know if it's as good. I like the Soap and Glory one, but because I got these Physicians Formula products, buy one get one half off, this only cost me like $5. So it was a really good deal, and I was already picking this up, so it just made sense to buy something else from the sale. So this is the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter in Pearl. I had a really hard time deciding what color to get because they're all really pretty, and Ulta has an exclusive color. I think it's an iridescent color. It might be called Iridescence. But I ended up going with Pearl just because I think it'll be the best for me. I think it's going to be the best option. I think it's going to look the best. It doesn't really smell quite like the bronzer and the blush. I'm not sure I really like the smell of it. I haven't used this yet. Whoo! That is so buttery. It's really soft. That's such a weird feeling. It's really pretty. You're not gonna be able to see it, but it's just sort of like your white highlighter. Really pretty. I think it's gonna be pretty subtle. This might be a good one to apply with my finger instead of a brush, I think. Even though it is like a powdery product, it's like buttery soft kind of thing. It's not really creamy, but it's very, very soft. So this might be better with my finger, but we'll see. But yeah, it just adds like a nice, I'm looking at my hand. It just adds like a nice little sheen, which is always nice. All right, so, okay. I got 2 products by Pacifica. Pacifica is a brand that, like, I don't know, nobody ever really talks about it, but I think I'm intrigued by them or interested in them because of their packaging, because it's so pretty. I bought a perfume by them last year that I really liked. I don't know if you guys remember that. It was like Island Vanilla or something like that, and it smells really good. I have, of course, not been using it because it's not a wintry scent. Anyways, stop babbling. So this is the Pacifica Aromapower Mind Control Volumizing Hair Perfume. Yeah. I don't know how to explain myself. It says lemongrass, tangerine, and peridot. Is that how you say that? Crystal infused plus plant powered. And that has little things at the bottom. I don't know why. There's not really any point. I did smell this. I haven't really touched a whole lot of what's in this box. It smells nice. I do like the smell. I think it'll smell really nice in my hair, but I'm not really looking for the hair perfume part of it. I'm hoping it'll be volumizing. I'm not really sure when to use this. It says spray on wet hair and let dry naturally or blow dry. Can also be used on dry hair for extra volume. So I need to try that out on a day where like I'm okay messing my hair up in case it doesn't work very good. And I'll let you guys know how I like that. But, so the other thing I got is this perfume. Is it a Pacifica Aromapower micro batch perfume. Hardcore happy. Create your bliss. This is vanilla, tuberose, coconut, and quartz. And it's crystal infused and plant powered. They have like this whole new line where it's like, I don't know if you can tell the packaging on this stuff, but it has like crystal rocks kind of thing. So I opened this and sprayed it on myself a couple days ago. And I couldn't quite make up my mind if I liked it or not. It's a nice scent. It's very different for me. And I'm not quite sure how to explain it. I mean, I just told you the notes. The bottle's really dirty. I think that might be the sticker though. And this also has rocks at the bottom. I don't know. I like it. I'm afraid to use a whole lot of it. I think what I might do is wear it tomorrow to work and see how I like it. Just like smell it throughout the day and see how I like it. I don't want to spray too much of it because in case I decide I want to return it. So I've been trying not to do too much of that. It does smell nice. I can smell the coconut and the vanilla, but I'm not sure if it's the scent for me. Does that make sense? It's hard to pick out scents online. So if you spent so much on Pacifica, you got free things. So you get these makeup wipes and a lotion. I have not opened the lotion yet, so I was going to do that with you because I wanted to smell it. But the makeup wipes are also from that line. They have the rocks all over it. And it just says Pacifica Crystal Melon Makeup Removing Wipes. I can't talk today. With cucumber and watermelon. So that sounds nice. It's just 10 of them. Be nice to try them out. I'm sure they'll do just fine. And then, oh, well, I could show you the lotion before I open it. And then it's just a little bottle of lotion. This is Pacifica Natural Body Care Sugared Amber Dreams Intensely Moisturizing Body Butter. So this isn't really like a hand cream or anything, but it was sealed. That's why I hadn't smelled it yet. Actually, I think I'm gonna put just a tiny bit of this on the back of my hand, or else I don't think I'm gonna be able to smell it. Yeah, that smells really nice. I like that. It's sweet, but it's still like a lotion-y type of scent, but it's nice and sweet. I like that. Not overly sweet, just a little bit. So I've got just a few more things. I picked up a nail polish. I got another one of the Essie Gel Couture polishes. This is in the It Factor. Bright pink. Today I have Dress Call on. Yeah, Dress Call, which is a purple color. But I decided I want a pink color, and I was going to paint my toes with this yesterday, but I think I'm a little premature. It's not quite warm enough for open-toed shoes yet. So very soon this will be going on my toes. This is the kind of color I like to wear on my toes. Can I say toes one more time? I just like a bright color on them. But I will also paint my fingernails with this because I think this is super pretty. It's like a fuchsia magenta, but it's almost a little bit close to a red, like almost a little too close to a red for me. But I think this is going to go on really nice. I think I'm going to like it a lot. Be a good summer staple. So the product that I got half off was the Becca First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh. So this is their their face primer, the purple one, which I've had the other one that's not purple. I've had that one before and I liked it. This was half off. It was like 20 bucks, so it really wasn't too bad if you think about it. I think, what does this do? Is it supposed to like brighten, I think, your face? I thought it canceled out a color, but I don't think it does that. I think it's just meant to brighten your face and kind of give you a better, fresher look. So I used this today. Oh, it looks like I got a little bit everywhere. I did use this today and it smells so good. I know that's just totally irrelevant, but oh my gosh, it smells just like it smells like a Pez. I don't know how else to explain it, but it smells faintly of Pez. It's not super overpowering, and I guess if you don't like fragranced products on your face, then you might not like this, but I liked the way this went on. I liked the way it felt. It was very nice. So I'm happy I got that. I don't think I'll be disappointed in that at all. And then, ooh, the drop stuff. I got 2 more things and then I'm done. So I am trying to up my shampoo game a little bit. So both of these are by AG Hair Care. What were they? I think they were 2 for $20, so they reached $10 a piece, which really isn't that bad, I don't think. I mean, for a high-end hair product. This one is 10 ounces, this one is 12 ounces. I've never tried anything, I don't think I've tried anything by this line. I don't think I've bought anything. If I have had anything from this line, it's probably just been like a sample or something. So anyways, this one is the Refuel shampoo. This is sulfate-free strengthening shampoo, keratin repair. So I was trying to get stuff that was just going to be really good and healthy for my hair and kind of revamp it because it's not been its best. This one smells nice. It's not like, oh my gosh, the best scent ever, but it smells really good. I think I'm gonna like that. It's nice and calming. I don't really know what else to say about it. I'll let you know how it goes. Hopefully it'll be in the favorites. I'm not actually out of shampoo yet, so it'll be a little while before I start using these. And then the other one is called Balance. This one has a pump, like a pump. I like this. It's apple cider vinegar sulfate-free shampoo. And that's about all it says. So yeah, I'm excited. I did smell this one. It smells amazing. I absolutely love this scent. It reminds me of something from Lush. I can't quite put my finger on it. If it was like a bath bomb or something, I don't know, but it smells just like that. And it smells so good. So I don't know, I might want more of this. It was kind of, I mean, on sale it wasn't too bad, but I'm kind of figuring 10 and 12 ounces probably isn't going to last me very long, so I'll probably go through it kind of fast. Alright, that was it. It felt like I bought so many things, but I think I kind of went through that fast. I don't know, maybe I didn't. I probably didn't. I will leave everything listed in the description box down below, as always. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also hit the subscribe button, that means a lot to me. You can also follow me on Instagram at HairbyLizzyBug. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, and until next time, bye! Oh my gosh, why was my hand up before I even said bye? Guys, I'm a hot mess today. Ooh, damn. Yeah, that's a lot of belly. Ooh, he kicked. He kicked like just as I put my hand down there. If I have had. So this one is apple cinnamon. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. I think I'm trying too hard to rush.